Hey, Mrs. Osborne, it's Sari with Shelf Genie, and it was nice meeting you this morning. So I put together a quick YouTube video so you can get a better idea of how Shelf Genie will look in your kitchen. I know you have to take out your wall oven and take out your dishwasher, but this was just an idea of what we can do. So this is your wall oven area, and you have a drawer down here, and you'll go ahead and keep that. And then my suggestion was to do a bottom glide out that will fully extend, a 2.5 inch height glide out, and then another one above. And this is where you wanted to put your coffee, like a counter. And then this is hard to see, but what my idea was to do is a glide out on its side so that when you're standing here, you talked about doing all your olive oils this way. So you can reach from back this way instead of 23 inches deep this way. And then to the right of it, we'll go ahead and do a divider shelf, and you'll have two dividers, 3 sections. You have a center post here. So you'll have 3 sections, and this is stationary, and you can put like your cookie sheets, cutting boards, platters, whatever you need. Then we'll walk over to the cabinet that's right to the right of that wall oven that you're going to turn into like a cabinet pantry kind of. And on the bottom, we'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch height glide out that will fully extend. And then above it, we'll go ahead and do a 5 inch height glide out. And we put one divider in here, and you can move that divider kind of close to this wall where you can stand up all your Tupperware lids. Then you're going to replace your cooktop with a full oven. So I kind of showed you what that would look like. You guys do that. And then this is your dishwasher area. Now we're not sure what's back here behind, same as the wall oven area, but we can do a bottom glide out, a middle glide out, and a top glide out. And those would all be 2.5 inch height glide outs. And you can put your pots and pans here, your casserole dishes, whatever you need. And then in the island area around the corner, we would do a 2.5 inch on the bottom, a 2.5 inch on the top, and then the right side, a 2.5 inch, and then a 2.5 inch height glide out. So that is your Shelf Genie project. I'm going to go ahead and price out the basic grade, which is the 3-year warranty. And just as a reminder, all of our glide outs hold up to 100 pounds. But we really can't measure, or maybe there's a cutout in the back of this dishwasher or the back of this wall oven area. So this is approximately, it'll be very close to the price that I'm going to quote you. It might be a little bit more if we have to do cutouts. Okay. So my number is 770-380-2499, and it was nice meeting you today. Take care and have a good night. Bye-bye.